All right, we have our crumble cookies. We're excited about this.
Hey, crumble
And
cookies.
should I keep it a secret? So tell them what the cookies are, Mom.
Alright, so this is chocolate peanut butter chip. So it's a chocolate with peanut butter chips in it. Emma, what's the next one?
Chocolate chip. It's my favorite.
It's her favorite. Elsie, Daddy, what's the next one?
Snickerdoodle, which is one of my favorite cookies of all time.
Elsie, what's the last one?
And then it's the Neapolitan. I'm really excited for that.
Neapolitan, it has 2 cookies
And strawberry frosting.
and then strawberry frosting.
I love strawberry frosting.
It's gonna be
I thought
good.
that was going to be the mystery cookie, but it's the Snickerdoodle. So let's start out with what we know we like. Let's. I will take the chocolate chip and the fabulous Mrs. Vactor, who works for Crumble Cookies, got us this cutter, so we won't have to be trying to do what we were doing. I think we were using a pizza cutter before, so I'm gonna.
Can you heat it up?
Yes, heat it up, heat it up, heat it
I
up.
don't know that we can heat it up. We can do it that way. So.
It will probably cut better do that.
All right, go heat it up. So we should have heated it up.
We put them in the fridge because the Neapolitan.
This is a day. This is a day later. It's, we bought them last night, so
I like
So there are new cookies out right now.
I think the new cookies start on Monday, so this is kind of the end of the week. So you pick another milk before you get a cookie. I wouldn't do that. I like this. This is what I would do. I think it's all I know.
Does she works for Crumble?
Yeah, she works for one of the crumbles. I don't know what she does. She's probably
CEO of Crumble.
CEO, cookie crumble tester.
that. I would want to be
I
that.
love to do that. I get that in my job.
I want to like come up with the stuff.
They probably have a meeting.
I want them to run the everything bagel again. I know everyone hated that, but I really liked it.
Everybody hated it.
I liked it. I thought it was good.
I should have just let them sit out for a minute.
Oh no, we're fine.
I really like that cookie. I think it's good.
That's probably cleaning.
I love.
What is the official crumble microwave time? I wonder.
No, I'm just supposed to eat it fresh.
Yeah.
I mean, you can't eat it first. They never have a place to sit down, so.
Yeah, they don't want you in there.
Alright, so
It may not work.
it's gonna work. I'm gonna take I'm gonna use, I'm gonna do Inception here. I'm gonna be inside doing it this way. There's this one. Line it up perfectly. Push it down. So cool. Perfect. Maybe the next one. Alright, well I did not do a great
I
job.
want that one.
I want this one. This is my favorite cookie.
Alright,
It did go perfect because they got the bigger piece.
they got the bigger pieces, so. Alright, let's talk about what we like. I was gonna actually have everybody have a plate, but I don't know that we necessarily need to. Alright,
The chocolate chip is cold.
You can't beat it.
I like this
It's
one.
such a good cookie.
Mm-hmm.
I think it is my favorite. My consistent favorite with
Yeah,
them.
it's always good. I like that it's a good thick cookie. Needs nuts in it.
No, it doesn't.
It does need nuts.
That would mess it up.
Macadamia. Ooh, that was a good chewy soft bite.
Mm-hmm.
It's kind of like not baked in the middle. I don't know why all the cookies do that, but like.
I think
With
that's
the big thick cookie.
kind of what they're going for. Alright. We're gonna do the Snickerdoodle next. I don't know that we can.
It had to be cold.
It's gonna be cold there, so. Alright. I'm gonna use a napkin to kind of wipe off the other. Here's the Snickerdoodle. We didn't really show, in case we didn't get a good job of showing it.
Oh, it tastes like that.
It's so good. Oh wait, that's about.
Alright. I'm gonna video me more Inception. You'll see these shorts later. The Snickerdoodle. Am I lined up good? Y'all help me out this time.
Yeah.
It's from what I'm seeing.
Alright. Here we
Maybe.
go. Uh-oh.
Here.
You can't do it.
I'm just gonna. I think the cookie's too hard.
Oh.
Muscles.
Wow, Mom.
Mom did it.
Mom.
Mom strength. Nice. Alright.
You got this one.
Take this piece right here.
You
Oh.
go.
Mom does not like Snickerdoodles.
What's wrong?
I don't like it.
Oh, so good.
frosting.
What's it taste like?
Snickerdoodle.
It was like buttercream.
Oh wow. That's such a good cookie.
So cold.
It's actually good cold.
The buttercream is good. I just don't like cinnamon and stuff like that. See, it stems from when I was little. Someone said, "Do you want a snickerdoodle?" And what do you think that cookie would be like when you're little and have no concept of what a snickerdoodle is?
You think it would be
Dog?
a Snickers?
I thought it was gonna be like a Snickers.
Oh.
And then they gave me a stack, and I was like, "That's not a Snickers."
You want me to go
And I
microwave
took a
this
big
one?
old bite of it. It was not, did not taste like a Snickers.
You were lied to.
It's okay. I will sneak. I'm probably not even in camera, but I'll sneak and eat another piece of it. You don't like it either?
If the buttercream is just too much.
not like it because of me.
No, the buttercream is too much. I put too much on it. You know what I mean? You know?
No, I don't know what you mean. It was perfect in every way.
Sure.
I like them. I like them when they're soft, though. They are. That kind of that does help them some.
Hot cookie cold frosting.
Huh?
Hot cookie cold frosting.
Hot cookie, cold off frosting. I don't know that you can do that. I think it would melt.
And for like 2 minutes.
I think that for 2 minutes, you'd have to eat that cookie pretty quick to make that happen. So.
Our problem is we live too far from the
From-
company. And we always get them too
I got some.
late
I got some.
in the
I got
day.
Yeah, we get them late. We got
It was so late last night.
We always get them
Alright.
at night.
All right. Here is the what do we call it? I think I
It's
missed.
a chocolate peanut butter chip. So the chocolate cookie with chips of peanut butter in it.
All right. More Inception here.
Did you already chop it?
No?
All right, this one will do. Is it lined up?
Yeah, I want a little bit more of this one
All right.
than what I got of the last one.
All right, hold on.
Okay.
It's already peanut butter.
All right. Let's see.
It should.
Oh, that one went right through. Almost too easy. Let's see.
I'll eat the one that broke apart.
There it is. Yum.
It's gonna be messy. Probably I'll need a plate.
Yes. You put mayonnaise on it.
I'm gonna put yours. I'll eat that one.
I want the
There's
smaller.
already.
I want the smaller piece.
Tastes like those ones that you do with the like the little Hershey's Kiss on top.
Peanut butter blossoms.
Mm.
It does have a lot of peanut butter in it, flavor in it. Ooh,
Not my
it's
favorite.
like gooey.
Oh, that burnt my tongue.
Well,
The
that's
middle burnt my tongue.
Then you wanted it hotter.
Mm. You don't like it?
I would say no peanut butter. But I'll eat it.
I think my
It's
favorite
gonna be a
still
no
is
for
the
me.
chocolate chip.
It always is my favorite.
It's a no for me.
You don't
I
like it
just
at
want
all?
that piece right there.
You don't like it at all? Really?
Well, she liked it enough to eat most of it.
Yeah.
All of it. I'm not gonna waste.
No, the next one is what I've been thinking about the entire time. Besides the chocolate chip.
Here's the Neapolitan.
Now, the icing on it last night was really
You're not even.
no,
Not
baby,
even.
not at all.
Well, I can't see it to do
It's
it.
not even either.
No, let me do it.
No,
No, you're doing it wrong.
How a family fights.
that's good.
Alright, come up from here.
The Neapolitan is a rich chocolate and smooth vanilla cookie,
Oh, no, so it's just chocolate.
topped with tart strawberry frosting.
Read it again for me, Mom.
A rich chocolate and smooth vanilla cookie, beautifully stacked and topped.
I wasn't ready. Do
Wait,
it.
we didn't get the birthday cake.
So try it.
Oh, my life.
Yeah, this is us.
Alright. The Neapolitan is rich chocolate and smooth vanilla cookies, beautifully stacked and topped with tart strawberry frosting. You gotta rock it all 4 ways. Yep, you got it. Just enough. I love this cookie cutter. It's
It
amazing.
took 4 cookies, but we did it perfect.
I'm. Can you see that?
Oh,
It's
The
beautiful.
layers are good. Emma doesn't like it. I can already tell because she's smacking her lips together. Let's see.
That is like ice cream.
Very strawberry forward, which isn't a bad thing. Really, all it tastes is strawberry icing.
I only taste strawberry.
I'm not
I
gonna.
like the strawberry icing though. It's right. It is a little tart. It's not real sweet. That's nice.
I agree.
I think I could just eat that icing though. You don't like the icing?
Take a big bite out of it. Take a bite out of the whole thing. Don't just eat the little bitty baby bite.
I'm not a fan of cold cookies.
They're bad.
They're not bad.
These were even cold last night. When we got the box, I was holding it. And on one end it was warm, and on the other end where those 2 cookies were, the Snickerdoodle and the Neapolitan, it was cold.
All right. So these are the remnants of the cookies that are left. And we'll pretend that this down here is the chocolate chip. So let's rate them.
10 out of 10.
Well, the one that's not left,
So what do you rate the chocolate chip? Take out of 10.
9.
chocolate chip, it would only have been better fresh and hot.
What about you, Mom?
I'd say 9. It needed to be fresh and hot.
And that's not their fault. That's our fault.
No, I know. We caused that.
I'd say it's a 7 out of 10. You're a 10 out of 10. It's an okay cookie. All right. How about the peanut butter?
Peanut butter chocolate chip. I give it probably an 8. It was not chocolatey at all.
To me, it almost had a like a burnt taste to it. Like
I think that's in your mind because it's a dark cookie.
but
I agree. No, I had that too.
I liked it. I like that taste. It reminds me of like the cookies that when like you have a cookie that's overcooked a little bit. I like those.
Yeah,
Those
I get it.
those flat cookies that I used to get from Milk that were like that. They remind me.
Oh.
Oh, I forgot about that place.
So what's your rating out of 10?
4.
4. Good. What about you?
Mine's a 5.09.
Um,
2.
I'd say I like it slightly better than I do the chocolate chip.
Chocolate chip.
Okay. You're just
You can
saying
have it.
things.
All right, and now the Snickerdoodle, which I'll go first. Solid 9. I liked it. It was good. It was. I don't think I've ever actually had a Snickerdoodle with icing. So that just elevated it. It doesn't normally come with icing. It's normally just a cookie, a soft cookie. But I liked it. So I'd say that's a 9. It's probably my new favorite.
New
one.
favorite?
Well, the Fruity Pebbles is the all-time best.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, Fruity Pebbles. Bring it back.
No,
please.
it's not. No, it was not. It
I mean,
was,
we'll get that in a
it
chocolate
was
chip
good,
cookie.
but it wasn't the best.
I take Fruity Pebbles all day long. The next time that Fruity Pebbles pops up, we're totally getting Fruity Pebbles again.
We're gonna get up and go early.
I had an extra one that I had for breakfast and didn't share with them. It was so good.
You did.
Mhm.
You had a small little.
It wasn't a small one.
No, it was the box. It was just
Yeah,
the box.
individual box. So, all right. Which one? What do you think about the Snickerdoodle?
I mean, it wasn't bad. It was solid 7.
Hi, Brandy.
What?
7-ish.
What was your number?
I like a 5.
I don't feel like I'm a fair judge of it because I don't like sugar snickerdoodles anyway.
Yeah. All right, and finally the Neapolitan, not the mystery cookie. I should say that the Snickerdoodle is a mystery.
Oh yeah,
8.
mystery.
8. What about you? I mean, you could.
I give it about an 8. I loved the frosting. The frosting is
But
super
that's about
good.
all you get.
It looks like there's like pieces of strawberry in it too.
Yeah, I'll agree. I didn't taste the difference. The difference between the two cookies wasn't it wasn't a super chocolatey cookie. Wasn't a
Yeah,
super.
they were the delivery method.
But if you think about it, if you have Neapolitan ice cream and
you only
scoop,
taste the strawberry.
you always just taste the strawberry. You never taste
It's
the
always
vanilla.
stronger. Yeah.
And the vanilla and the chocolate is usually there, but it's not as strong as. The
I don't know
strawberry.
that I know that. Maybe we should try that out today.
I don't know. It's too much sweets. So what did you think about it?
I have a 4.
A 4.
Have you ever had Neapolitan ice cream?
Well, all right. Well, that's our reviews for this. Thank you, Mrs. Vactor. You're the best.
That made all the difference in the world because
Yes.
there are 4 of us and none of us needed a whole cookie.
Yeah.
Well, we kind of got a whole cookie sharing 4.
Yeah. And Mrs. Vactor is, I just call him Vactor. I won't use his first name. It's Justin. But Vactor from Vactorverse. He's a good friend of ours.
Oh, you can check out Vectorverse.
Vectorverse, he does a lot of podcasts. He's trying to get me to get on there, but I think I'm too ugly for podcasts. I don't like being on camera. So,
You're
but
not on camera.
You're probably not on the
it's-
camera, by the
but
way.
I probably not. I'm actually sitting up. You probably just hear my voice. So, he's doing a lot of YouTube videos, which are exciting, geek related, much like us. So, all right. Well, what do you say, nice and slow, so people can hear you?
You wanna do it with me?
No.
Make sure to like if you like our videos. So subscribe if you want to see more. And hit that notification bell so you're always notified when we post. Remember,
I'm Nerdja.
Pick out. All right. That's 5.